solve x to the power 4 minus 1, it is equal to 0. Solution will be x to the power 4 minus 1 can be written as x square to the power 2 minus 1 square, which can be further written as x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. By the identity a square minus b square, we can write this term x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Further, x square minus 1 square, this term can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. By the same identity a square minus b square, it can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. So, finally, x square plus 1 into x square minus 1, this can be written as x square plus 1, this is same, and this can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now, real solutions will be x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1. This is our answer. If we put this value, it will be equal to 0. We have to solve x to the power 5 plus 1, it is equal to 0. So, x to the power 5 is equal to minus 1. This one will be transposed on the right hand side with negative sign. Since minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to minus 1. So, the value of x will be minus 1.